Greetings, adventurers, and welcome back to Abnormal Voyages. My name is David, and today we are in Hattiesburg, Mississippi, looking for the elusive and exclusive Pocket Museum. The catch is, you have to actually find it before you can see it. Let's see what we can find out.
We're going to a place that you've never heard of before. It's Abnormal Voyages. You're gonna learn something new. We're gonna open new doors. It's Abnormal Voyages.
The exact location of the Hattiesburg Pocket Museum is kept hidden so that when you find it, you feel like you've truly stumbled upon something special. There may be a lot of signs in the city, but none of them pointing to the museum. Leaving the exact location a secret and making it an adventure just finding your way there is all part of the experience that is the Pocket Museum. Another benefit to making it something you need to seek out is that visitors to the museum will inevitably have a chance to explore and see some of the beautiful downtown area of Hattiesburg.
So we've been told that the museum is in an alleyway, so that's what we're looking for.
It turns out there are actually quite a few alleyways in this city. But if you're persistent, eventually your hard work will pay off.
And after a bit of a hunt, we finally reached the Hattiesburg Pocket Museum.
The Hattiesburg Pocket Museum is truly one of a kind. Opening in August of 2020, though this little slice of magic hasn't been open long, it's already growing and making huge waves. What started as a passion project has quickly become something beloved by thousands. The alleyway is decorated up and down. Of course, it's very hard to notice these large doors painted with some amazing art, even a little mouse hole down there. But for those who look a little closer, you'll actually see some very lifelike kittens who are all hanging out here in this amazing alleyway. There's actually 9 spread throughout this entire way, all made by artists who set them up in the alley, just waiting to greet new friends. These little furballs are absolutely adorable. Here's 2 cuddling together. So you'll want to take your time and make sure you see them all. They even took the time to paint the side of this parking garage and turn it into a beautiful mural. And these cats are proof that you gotta make sure you're looking in every direction when you come out to this alley, up and down. As amazing as all these large art pieces are, there is one more thing that is very, very special about this alleyway. The museum wants to get across that magic is everywhere if you just take the time to stop and look. And here in the alley, stopping and looking closely will definitely be rewarded. In every nook and cranny of the alley that houses the Hattiesburg Pocket Museum, there is a completely different world that opens up, just waiting for you to check it out. A lot of common things that people usually just walk right by have been completely transformed to show you something just a little special. All right, get your bets in quick. Which horse is going to take it? Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Personally, I'm rooting for the white one. That's a pretty steep climb there. Good to see they've brought along some equipment to help them get up. A very romantic spot for this lovely couple here. And it looks like we are just in time for a concert. Most people don't think of Mississippi as a skiing hotspot, but I think these guys would disagree with you. These ones that incorporate real-life items and have the little people interacting with them are probably my favorite. The spilled ketchup is amazing. Here's another example of them using real-life items, with a spilled coffee cup becoming a nice little water park. Sliding down that spoon into those warm brown waters. These ones look a little confused. I think they're looking for the coffee cup water park. See, it looks like just a regular bubblegum wrapper. But you look up and took a little bit of gum, blew a bubble, and started to fly away. Just a reminder that love is celebrated in all shapes and sizes. There's really no end to the kind of things you'll see here in this alley.
And who knows, you might even find a portal back in time.
It looks like some of the dinosaurs actually escaped from that portal, so they gotta get rounded up. And after exploring the amazing magical alleyway, we come to the actual museum part of the Pocket Museum. The concept behind this museum is spectacular. All of the exhibits actually come from donations of people who want to show off their collections of whatever artistic things they may have. Every month, the museum has a different theme, so you can keep coming back and see something brand new. On display while we visited was a collection titled 1,000 Words and was work done by Denver artist Shane Cooper. This exhibit was all about book sculpting, a process where Mr. Cooper used tiny tools to dissect old books and remake them into beautiful new sculptures. I think the takeaway message from the Hattiesburg Pocket Museum is that there are amazing things all over the world. Sometimes, all you gotta do is stop and look for them. Well, that's it for us this week. Thanks for watching Abnormal Voyages. We'll see you in the next one. It's the most wonderful time of the year. We don't want to spoil any of the presents, but make sure you join us for the first ever Abnormal Voyages Christmas special.